Hello and welcome. One thing in getting started with Unity game development is to have your own Unity ID. A Unity user account is free and is required to manage your license. Let's begin with the installation of Unity. First, go to the Unity official website. Review the system requirements for installing Unity. Click on Download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is a standalone application that simplifies the download, installation, and licensing of Unity Editor and the management of Unity accounts and projects. After download is complete, install it. Unity Hub is already installed on this machine. Let me launch it. The project section shows all projects available in Unity Hub along with the Unity version of the project. Click on New to create a new project. Click on Add to add an existing project to Unity Hub. Unity Hub allows you to have different versions of Unity on the same device. Click on Installs and you will see all installed versions of Unity that have been added to the hub. To install additional modules for an installation, click on the menu icon of that install and select Add Module. Click on Add to install another version of Unity. There are different Unity license plans available. Choose the plan that is right for you. To buy a plan, click on Choose Plan. Choose the number of seats and the payment plan. The annual plan, prepaid yearly, is more cost-saving than the annual plan, prepaid monthly. Sign in, enter your payment information, and proceed with payment. After successful payment, you'll receive an email from Unity that contains your serial key. Enter the serial key in Unity Hub. To activate your license, you will need to log in with your Unity ID if you have not already done so. Unity Personal is free. No serial key is required to activate it. If you want to move your license from one device to another, click on Return License, then Confirm. Now activate that license on another device. You can upgrade your project from an older version of Unity to a newer version. Make sure you have a backup of your project before upgrading to a newer version. This is where we end our tutorial on the installation, licensing, and upgrade of Unity. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.